Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's begin with this tutorial. So first, make a new composition. This composition, it should be your main composition. It's where you move it, you move your things, you do your transition. This is where your main edit is going to make. Alright, so I'm just gonna change it to my main composition, and the resolution can be anything. I'm just gonna use this, but yeah, you should use the resolution that you want your edit to be, like that. Alright, after that, make another new composition. It should have the same duration, but the height should be like 3 times bigger. Alright, so I'm just gonna change this to 4000, and this is where I'm going to make my paper-like transition. So I'm just gonna change this to transition. Alright, so you just have to change the height and don't change the duration. It should be the same duration as your part of the edit, and the frame rate should be exactly the same. Just change your height 3 times bigger. Alright, after you did that, just add the notebook PNG that I added in a mega link in the description. You can download it. After you download it, you can just add it like me and scale it up so it covers the whole thing, or you can use any other kind of texture that you want. It really depends on what kind of design that you want to do. After that, just add the, I don't know, text, pictures, I don't know, your mask pictures, anything that you want based on your taste, based on your edit. Alright, so I'm just gonna use these 3 pictures for example. So I'm just gonna design them like this so they look better. Okay, so basically this is my design. You can write any kind of text that you want. I'm just gonna write my username, Candy AP. You can add drop shadow to the things that you put on your notebook texture so they look a bit better. So go ahead and search in effects and presets, S underline drop shadow. You can select all the layers and then add drop shadow to all of them at the same time, so you can change the setting of the drop shadow too. Man, I'm just gonna increase the shadow opacity as well. You don't have to do it like me, but yeah, just as I said, design it the way that you want. It's just optional. You don't have to do this part like me. Alright, imagine this is my whole design. After that, go to your main composition and add that composition to your main composition. Right, as you can see, it looks like this. Alright, so I want my transition to start from top to bottom. Alright, so just drag it all the way to top where you want your transition to start, and start making your transition. For example, I'm gonna do a scale down transition for the first part. As you can see, it looked like this. So you should add a keyframe for position as well. Then press U on your keyboard so you can see all the selected transitions that you want. After that, it's going to look better, trust me. Alright, this is good. And ease them, and based on your edit, do the graph that you want. Also make sure to turn on the motion blur as well so it looks smoother. Good. After that, add a new null object layer and connect your transition composition to the null object. After that, you can add position, rotation, or even scale if you want. After you select all of them, press U on your keyboard so you can see the selected transitions and do the transition that you want based on your edit. So I'm just gonna do a simple thing to just show you guys what I mean by that. Also, if you want to cover this black area, select your transition composition, then go ahead in effects and presets, search for motion tile and add it to your clip and increase it by 200 and turn on the mirror edge as well so it looks better. After that, continue doing your transition, and right now I'm gonna ease the keyframes that I made and do a mid graph for this part. Again, I'm telling you guys, this is optional, just do it based on your edit. And after that, add another null object layer, then connect the null 1 to null 2, and then again add rotation, position, and a scale, then press U so you can see those keyframes that you selected and change it the way that you want. Then ease them, and I'm gonna do another mid graph. So yeah, this is pretty much everything that I needed to say for this tutorial. Hope this tutorial helps you guys. Tell me what do you want to see next time. I'm reading all the comments. It really makes me happy when you guys comment and tell me that you like my tutorials and what do you want to see next time. So yeah, that would really help me when you comment. And yeah, that's it. See you guys next time. See ya.